Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 School Finance. So, who I am, I currently teach 9 through 12 special education in the Baker-Linwood School District. I coach football and I help out with strength and conditioning in the summer and spring, and I usually stay pretty busy with that and try to find some time to get outdoors and have some fun when I can fit it in. Um, the reason I'm seeking a degree in educational leadership is I want to have the opportunity to teach teachers and have an impact on a larger number of total students. I figure as a teacher, you can impact the students in your class, and then as an administrator, you have an impact on teachers, who then have an impact on students. So you really have a more wide-reaching impact. So I like the idea of that. So, part of the reason why I want to work on this degree and, the background that kind of goes with that is I've been doing a lot of coaching. This is my fourth year with football, third year in Baser, so I've done 3 years with their summer strength and conditioning and doing that. I've coached basketball as well, and I've also done a year of middle school track and middle school boys basketball. And then I co-sponsored the student ambassador group, and I've helped manage paraeducators, special education department, and I'm getting more responsibilities lately, helping our administration since I know I'm working on this degree. And then my strengths and weaknesses in regards to school finance. Some strengths are, I've listened to educational leaders, superintendents, and administrators talk about it, and they've gone over, bond issues and all sorts of things, and finance and things have been a real problem in the state of Kansas the last few years, and been better lately, and it just always seems like it's a topic for sure. And then, I'm willing to learn more all the time, and I do think it's pretty interesting. So, and the weaknesses, I just don't have a lot of experience. I don't really deal with it very much. As just a special education teacher, I hear about it and how it's important, but I just really haven't had a lot of experiences where I'm directly impacting the school finance or making decisions based off of that. So I'm looking forward to getting this class started and just continuing to improve and get better.